Hello, hi guys. Thanks for joining back. Okay, shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now
Yeah,
our aim is to define an ERP structure. Let's see how we are going to define into SAP system. There is a transaction code SPRO. SPRO. Enter. Customizing project. Execute project. Click onto this tab. SAP reference image. Okay, here we can see all the customization areas. Our focus is to customize ERP structure, enterprise structure. Open this node. We can see first and definition. Open this node. This is our area. Every consultant will be working into the respective area. This is as a sales consultant, we will be working on this area. Open this node. Here we can see defined copy delete check sales organization, distribution channel, sales office and sales group. Click onto this execute button. A new window will be pop up. Define sales organization. Double click on this. I'll show again. Close it. Click onto this execute button, which is white circle. A new window will be popped up. Double click on this. Define sales organization. Here, SAP has provided predefined settings by default. Okay, for every country, different. Here we can go with the standard 1000. If I click onto this gray box, this will be get selected. I'll select this, and if we see here, we have icon copy as. Select this 1000, click onto this copy icon. Here we need to make our sales organization as ZX09. I'll remove this 1000. I'll make this as CX09, and I'll keep the description as sales org HYT, and currency, I'll change the currency to INR. Rest parameters we don't need to change because we have copied from the default 1000 and we changed it to our requirement, which is ZX09, description and currency. Hit enter. Okay, continue. Okay, let's change the details, address details. I'll make this as sales org for Hyderabad. HYT, search term ZX09 sales org. Basically, we are maintaining the details. State, I'll make this as postal code, city, country, region, okay. Then time zone, India, PO box, postal code, language to English, telephone, mobile, fax, extension. These are optional. Okay. Whenever if we see whenever if I don't maintain this parameter, look here we can see the check marks on this field. Means if we don't maintain this field, the system will not allow to proceed further. So mandatorily we need to maintain this. Okay, these are optional. Why? Because we cannot see the check marks. Enter it and save it. Okay, number of entries. What we did, we have created a sales organization customization with reference ZX01, 4 characters. If I try to save this, okay, this is the save icon. Okay, the system is asking customizing request means the customization that we have done a while ago with ZX09 will be getting a request number. Okay, this request numbers needs to be saved with us. Why? Whenever we make any customizations of development, we need to move this development to another server, which is that could be a testing server, a quality server, a production server. For that reason, the customization which we have done right with sales function ZX01, we cannot make this every time in each system. Okay. For that reason, what we'll do is we'll copy this number and we will transfer the same ZX09 to another system. So what I'll do is I'll change this request because what I have created is create a request. Okay, I'll make this here SD, sales and distribution area. I have created a sales organization with a reference ZX09. Okay, this is the description that we have done, right? Enter. No, here, this is the request number, right? This request number for what? We have made a sales organization with ZX01. So basically, this number will be called as transport request. So we have developed, right? We have developed a sales organization. Into which system? Into this, the one which we are working is a development system, dummy system. Okay, for practicing. Now, from development system, from one system to, if you want to move to another system, so we cannot create again, right? ZX01 or ZX09. Okay, I'll explain this later. Okay, I'll click onto this, continue. So data was saved. We have customized one sales organization. Let's close this. Let's proceed further. We need to define a distribution channel. Execute, define distribution channel. I'll click on to new entries. Okay. Distribution channel I'll make as ZX9 or Z9, sorry. Local sales. Or we can say local distributor. Local distributor for ZX09. Enter. We'll make Z8 as non-local distributor for ZX09. Okay, basically, we are defining two distribution channels for one sales organization. If I try to save this, so again, I got the request. So I'll go to the change mode, sorry, create mode. Into the SD area, we have created a distribution channel, which is ZX8 and, sorry, Z8 and Z9. Look, source client is 800. This is dummy number. If we have another client, okay, that could be quality, that could be a production server, any server. From this system to another system, in order to move, we need to provide this request. I'll go to that. So while executing the real-time projects, we need to save this TR numbers distribution. Okay. Distribution channel from one system to another system. I'll continue. As of now, currently we are not transferring into any system. We have only one system. Go back. So we are done with the second part. Let's move on to sales office. Sales office nothing but the one which we have created. This sales function will be having areas. Sales office that could be any east, west, north, south in a particular city. Okay. As of now, let's try to create a sales office, maintain sales office. I'll select this 1000. I'll try to copy. I'll make this as ZX09 sales office. I'll make description as office at Hyderabad. Enter, save it. Okay, number of entries we have created, one entry. Let's save it. Okay, I'll click on to this create request. In SDR, we have created a sales office with ZX09. We can have multiple offices. We can go with further ZX08 or 077 likewise. This is the number. Okay, last one we have sales group. Continue this here. Go back. Let's maintain group. Okay, I'll make a group as ZX9. Okay, sales group ZX9. And we can have multiple groups. One group for pen, one group for pencil, and one group for papers. Okay. As of now, let's go with this only one unit. Okay. ZX9. Try to save. I'll make this as in SD area. We have created a sales group with reference ZX9. Enter. We got this number right. TR number. I'll copy this TR number and I'll copy this description and save it. So whenever we make customizations, try to ensure that keep the reference number with you, TR number and description. This may require at any time, any point of time. Okay. So what customization we have done, at which area you need to ensure this. As of now, we don't need, but into the real time projects, we need to be cautious with these parts. Sorry, with these areas. Okay. Continue and save it. Go back. So from the sales perspective, we have defined sales on distribute, sales office, and sales group. Do you have any ideas? Sorry, do you have any doubts? Please answer.
No, sir.
Okay, so we are done with the sales part now. Here, there is no PP consultant, no FI consultant, no MM consultant, no LD consultant. Now, what we can do is on behalf of their standpoint, we'll try to make little definitions, which is like checking plant. This PP consultant, we need plant, right? Define, copy, delete, check plant. Click on to this execute, define plant, double click on this. I'll select this 1000. I'll copy and I'll make our plant as ZX09. Okay. Plant HYT. ZX09 HYT. Enter. Plant ID. Postal code. Sorry. So we are done with one plant, which is pencils. This plant will be manufacturing pencils. Let me save this. If I try to save, the system asked what customizations that we are preferring. Let's create a request into logistics general. Okay, this is by another consultant, PP consultant. We have defined plant ZX09 HYT. Sorry, pencils. Anyhow, no problem. Let's copy this. This is SD transports. Then this is logistics general. Continue. So data was saved. I'll go back. Okay, we need to make one more plant, right? As per our business requirement. Let's make ZX08 for Bangalore. Define plant. I have created ZX09, right? Click on to this position, ZX09. I'll select this, I'll copy. Why? Means I can change it easily. PNG Bangalore. ZX09, PNG. Okay, ZX08. Enter. Enter. In the description, I'll simply change this to BNG 8. Enter. Save it. So we got one more request. I'll make this as LG plant ZX08 BNG. Yeah. I'll copy this TR number and I'll try to save it here. This Bangalore plant. Okay. As the system is taking quite longer time to save the transactions, we'll skip the plant ZX07. We'll add it at some other time. As of now, let's go back. Here we have created plants. In the production plant, we'll be having divisions. As per our business requirement, we need divisions Z9, Z8, Z7. Okay, ZX it's already available. Yesterday I have done it. So let's try to create a couple of divisions with Z9 and Z8. Here, define, copy, delete, check, division, execute, define division. Either we can copy the existing one or we can create. Click on to this new entries. I'll make Z9 as pencils, Z8 as pen. Enter it and save it. Let's make the description as clear. LG, we have defined divisions for ZX08, sorry, C9 and C8. Yeah. Let's save this. Okay. We are done with the division part from the logistics perspective. Now we have one more area, material management. Click on to this node as consultant is not available. We have to make here maintain storage location. As when I click onto this execute, here I got for which work area. We have two plants ZX09. Continue. In this storage, we have located ZX09 storage location. ZX09 storage location ZX09. This is for plant ZX09. We have two plants, okay? For this plant, we have this storage location ZX09 and save it. I'll save this. I'll not copy, okay? It's taking much time. Okay, we got it. Let's go back. We have one more storage location. We need to maintain one more storage location for plant ZX08. Enter for Bangalore. New entries. I'll make this as storage location ZX08 for this plant. Save it. Continue. Back. We are done with the storage location. Logistic execution. We need to define shipping point, right? Here we have define, copy, delete, check shipping point. As I said, shipping point also is closely related, integrated to here, storage location, warehouse and shipping point. This is also closely integrated to plant. Shipping point. Define, copy, delete, check shipping point. Execute. Define shipping point. We can select 1000, select this, and we'll copy this. And I'll make shipping point as ZX09. We have two plants, right? For the two plants, we need to have two shipping point. Shipping point HYD. Okay. Enter. Let's maintain the parameters here, details. Shipping HYD ZX09. Okay, transportation zone. Let's move this. Okay, country and transportation zone copied from the address data. Let's try to save this. Okay, we are done with one shipping point. Let's make one more shipping point. I can copy the same, but let me go back. Close it. Here, again, define copy direct check into logistic execution for inbound deliveries and outbound deliveries. Click on to position. A while ago we did ZX09, right? I'll copy this in order to change data easily for us. Okay. Enter. I'll change this to ZX08. Enter. Let's make this as value. Enter. Save it. Back. Close it. Now, one of the head of the organization unit. What's that? Company code. Here we have done logistic execution, material management, logistics general, and sales. The only thing that is left is company code into finance. Click on to this financial accounting. Here, edit, copy, delete, check, company code, execute. Okay, edit company code data. Okay, here we have by default. What I'll do is I'll go to this our previous one, standard one. I'll select this ZX01. Okay, click on to copy. I'll make this as company code ZX09, and I'll make this as company Sai Pencils Private Limited, which is located at Hyderabad. Enter. ZX09 Hyderabad. Okay. Continue. So we have created one company code with reference ZX09. Let's save this. We can make a new TR. Better to make a new TR. Okay. Continue. Data was saved. Let's go back. Here into financial accounting, we have created one company code, then plant division. Let me take a screenshot. It will be easy for us to reference. We have created plant division, sales function, distribution channel, sales office, and sales group. Then we have maintained storage location and shipping point. And also into the financial accounting, we have created company code. Guys, if you have any doubt, please don't hesitate. Either whenever you execute these processes, if you face any challenges, do let me know. We'll come to this area again. Storage location, shipping point. This is the definition part. Now, all these units we have finance, logistics, central, sales and distribution, material management. We need to assign to each other, right? So whenever a sales process is being done, that needs to be notified to other units, right? Which is finance, logistics. In order to happen that, we have to proceed with next step, which is assignment. Assignment, integrating with each other. Other of units. Okay. In the definition part, any doubts, guys? Sunita, Leela, Rajashekhar, Anurag.
Sir, no doubts, but I want to ask something.
Yeah,
In
please.
real time, we no need to make the and company code, all this, right?
Yes, we need to focus only our area, which is sales area. Independent activity.
Okay.
Independent activity. This is our area. Here, in currently, here what we are, ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి ప్రస్తుతం మనమే హీరో, మనమే హీరోయిన్, మనమే విలన్, మనమే కామెడియన్, మనమే డాన్స్ చేసుకోవాలి, మనమే డైరెక్ట్ చేయాలి. Why? The reason behind is we are trying to understand the operations with other departments too. Okay, but here we are not trying to learn, just we are trying to learn only limited area, only a couple of points, so that it can help us in our transaction flow or in our process flow. So without material we cannot make a sales order. Without production plant we won't be able to manufacture, we won't be able to populate the delivery dates. Okay, so without accounting we will not be able to fetch the price, neither price nor the billing. Okay, at the end what we need to populate the billing amount, how much customer needs to pay. So for that we need to have company code. HR we can skip as of now, we are not into that much, and plant maintenance also. Leela, do you have any doubt?
Yes.
Yeah, please go ahead. Okay, now let's move on to the next step, which is assignment part. Definition, assignment. Here we can see all the units, right? Accounting, controlling, LG, logistics, general, sales. If I open the sales node, I'll try to go quickly. We have short time. Okay, assign sales function to company code. Okay, our company code is ZX09. Sales function ZX09. I'll go with a single unit. Okay, click on to position, sales function ZX09. So we have company code ZX09. Basically we are integrating sales area and finance area company code. Enter and save it. Back. Now one more, assign distribution channel to sales function. We have various distribution channels, right? Couple of distribution channels. I'll click on to new entry, sales organization ZX09. We have distribution channel Z9, which is local sales. For this sales organization, we have one more distribution channel with Z8, which is non-local sales. Enter and save it. Moving further, assign divisions. Where exactly this division exists? Into the logistics general. And this is sales function. We are integrating divisions and sales function. Click on to execute. New entries. We have sales function ZX09, and we have one division with Z9, which is for pencils. We have one more division which is for pen. Enter and save it. Now, what is sales area? It's a combination of sales organization, distribution channel, and division. Here we can see set up sales area. Execute. Click on to new entries. Sales organization we have ZX09. Distribution channel we have Z9. Division we have Z9. Enter. What is sales area? It's a combination of these three units, which is called as sales area. Here it should be Z9. Okay, Z9 and Z9. Enter and save it. Go back. Like this, we have to do it for distribution channel Z8 and Z8. We'll do it at later part. Go back. Back here. Now assign sales office to sales area. We have created one sales office, right? ZX09. That ZX09 we have to assign to sales area. This is the sales area and this is the sales office. I'll click on to new entries, sales organization, distribution channel, division. We have sales office ZX09. Save it. Go back. Now one more area, assign sales group to sales office. We have sales group, right? ZX9. This is sales office and sales group ZX9. Save it. If we look here, assign sales organization, distribution channel, and plant. This plant we have in logistics general area, sales organization to sales area, distribution channel to sales area, distribution channel into sales area. So basically here two units are being integrated, logistics general and sales. Click on to execute. New entries, sales org, distribution channel, sorry, Z9. Plant we have ZX09. This is for Hyderabad plant. We need to assign one more plant, Z8, sorry, Z8 for Bangalore plant, ZX08. Okay. Save it. As of now, let's keep aside credit control area. Okay, we'll see this credit control area in some other sessions. We are done our activities here without logistics general. This is dependent activity. If PP consultant did not make plant, we won't be able to go for the assignment. If finance people, they didn't make company code, we won't be able to assign the company code. Likewise. Okay. Moving further into material management. Here we don't have any assignments. Okay, logistics general. Here we have assign plant to company code. Execute. We have two plants, right? I'll click on to new entries. We have one plant ZX09. Sorry, we have one company code ZX09 and plant we have ZX09. We have one more plant, right? Which is ZX08. That two needs to be assigned to this company code. Two plants, Bangalore plant and Hyderabad plant. This is the company code. Save it. Go back. We are done with this logistics general. Now shipping point, okay, logistic execution. Assign shipping point to plant. As I said here, storage location has been integration with plant and shipping point warehouse is also closely integrated to plant. For this, what we are going to do, assigning shipping point to plant. Execute. These are the shipping points. Let's try to search our shipping point ZX09. Enter. This is our plant, right? For this plant, we need to assign. You can see this assign. Click onto this tab. We got the shipping points. I'll scroll down total bottom. I can see this. I'll put a check mark on ZX09. This ZX09 needs to be assigned to this plant. So continue. Scroll up. So this plant has been assigned to this. Similarly, I'll go with this ZX08. I'll select this, click on to assign, scroll down, select this, got assigned, and save it. So far, we have done, right, ERP structure, definition part and assignment part. Let's go with the transaction code for checking EC01. Enter. Structure, navigation, continue. Our plant, sorry, our company code is ZX09, right? If I double click on this, here plant, sales organization. Let's reconnect again, please.